Everyone in school knew Rafi as the average student. Not good, not terrible, just invisible. Teachers never expected anything from him. Classmates never asked for help from him. When English class started, Rafi became even smaller. He understood the words, but his tongue refused to speak. Whenever he tried, his voice broke. One day, the teacher said, "English is not for everyone." Those words hit Rafi deeply. That night, he sat alone on the roof of his house. The city lights were quiet. Rafi opened his old phone and played English videos. Slow stories, simple sentences. He listened again and again. He repeated words softly so no one could hear. Days turned into months. Rafi never showed improvement in class, but inside, something was changing. One day, a new student joined school. He didn't understand the lesson. The teacher asked, "Can anyone help him?" Silence. Rafi slowly raised his hand. The class was shocked. Rafi explained the lesson in simple English. The new student smiled. That smile was enough. Years later, Rafi became an English teacher. The same teacher who said English is not for everyone now watched him proudly. Moral: sometimes your success is silent but powerful. Subscribe for more interesting stories.